Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can allow third-party cookies in the Opera browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Opera browser on your laptop or desktop computer, access the browser settings through that Opera icon in the top left and by clicking into settings here, or you may use the shortcut Alt-P. In your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security on the left hand side. Next, click into third-party cookies here under privacy and security, and switch from block third-party cookies to allow third-party cookies. And there are also exceptional rules you can set for both general rules, depending whether you block these third-party cookies or allow them. For instance, if you allow them in general, you may add, for example, sites that are excluded from that rule, and do the same for blocking. So can also go through all site data and permissions and go through each website and decide for each one of them whether you'd like to allow these third-party cookies or not. But in general, guys, if you'd like to do this in general, switch from block to allow here, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.